Welcome back to. Wait a minute. Whose plane is this? That's my brother's plane. Brother! Are you serious right now? What? Why? Why? Where did you find that plane? Bro, open the door. Open the door. Come here. Bro! Where's the uniform? Are you serious? Why he is not serious? Okay, right. I see this. I'm bored while driving. On my right side. Bro, it's already started. Just right. Go right. Bro, are you serious right now? I am not going with you. You are very bad at driving. Please. Bye, brother. Bro, he's not serious. Bro, let's go. Ra. Ayo. What the? So, bro, this guy is very crazy. Suspicious. Bro, who is this again? Radar. How do you play in Bro, are you serious right now? You, please, bro, there. Let me teach you. Wait a minute. Let me cut this video, bro. He's very crazy. Bye, brother. I don't take practice. Bro, I just learned him. He's lying. Rescue me. Wait a minute, Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me rescue him. Bro, where are you? I am here. Just sit at my plane, okay? No. Bro! You're fucking the bro. Shut up. Bro, let me spawn a plane and drive. Bro, you want to go? Wanna go with me? Bye, bro. Nah, he's just trolling. Let's go, boys. This time I'm gonna take a turn. Hello, bro. I am here. Bro, but I skipped. Bye, bro. Wait a minute. You just crashed your plane. No. Are you lying? No. Okay. Wait a minute. I will Okay. We can do anything. Bro, I know all the things. Now I'm driving a very different place. That's an island. Wait a minute, let me wear my suit. Cause we need safety. Let's go. Skip it up, yes. So guys, this is so fun. Wait a minute, let me call my brother. Wait a minute, brother. Is your plane is up? Are you live? Yeah. Okay. I want to take off. Bro, what the? Yes. Etakan lu. Lol. What is this language? I don't know. This is Chinese. I know Chinese. No. Sorry. We just revealed that we are Indian. It's okay. Brother, let's play Ogier game. Okay.